Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another super simple tutorial. I'm gonna take my Milani foundation and apply that with a Wet n Wild flat brush, and then I'm taking my e.l.f. hydrating concealer and just concealing my under eyes. Now let me just tell you guys that I love this hydrating formula so much better than the 16-hour camo concealer. I don't know, I just like it a lot. I guess it's because I have dry skin. That's why I like it a lot. But yeah, they're both really good. But I just like the hydrating one a lot better. So then I'm taking this LA Girl concealer, and I'm just gonna contour with this. I just take it along my hairline and then my nose and my cheekbones. And yeah, now I'm taking my Morphe or Jeffree Star times Morphe palette, and I'm going in with this like terracotta shade and grabbing one of my ColourPop fluffy brushes. I'm just gonna pack that onto the outer corner of my eye and then pack it along my crease, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that out using circular motions, just so it like diffuses out really nicely and we get a seamless blend. Now this look that I'm doing only requires 3 eyeshadows, I believe. It's super simple, guys. Now I'm gonna take this darker maroon shade and taking one of my Shein pencil brushes. This is kind of like a fluffy pencil brush, and I'm gonna just focus this more on the outer corner of my eye. And again, just stamping it in first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out. And then I kind of winged out that first shade a little bit too, just to give my eyes that kind of like winged out effect. So just blend, and then I have cut my crease, and I'm going to take that olive green shade and just apply that to my crease. And that is basically it, guys. I'm only using those 3 shades. I don't know why I've been obsessed with this color combo, I guess, like the olive green with like the pinkish reddish tones. I don't know, there's something about that color combo that I've been like obsessed with. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and take my Cavalli lashes and apply those to my eyes. I also did a review and like what I think about these lashes, so that is going to be uploaded very soon. These are in the shade, or in the style, I'm sorry, in the style Besitos, I think. Yeah, I don't know why, but I was having such a hard time applying them. They like wouldn't stick to the inner corner of my eye. But yeah, I love these lashes. The style is so cute. They're super winged out, so that's a plus. And that is it for the tutorial, guys. I told you it was going to be super simple. All you need is 3 colors and you have a complete eyeshadow look. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.